Whether you're a doctor, nurse, or other medical professional, our LEVO tablet cart can help protect you from constant exposure of viral illnesses. LEVOs are playing a critical role in assisting the medical community during the pandemic by way of telehealth. LEVO is super sturdy, extends well over your patient's bed, and articulates to perfectly position a tablet. It's compatible with just about any tablet, with or without a case. We offer a USB-C charging port as an option. We also offer key locking as an option to help prevent tablet theft. LEVO can even be adjusted low enough so your patient can type on a tablet as if it were a laptop. Need your LEVO to extend from the other side of the bed? No problem. When not in use, LEVO quickly folds for stowing. Telehealth video chatting with the help of LEVO will save your staff time. While standing bedside, doctors and their patients can video chat with their family members, whether they're at home or work. It's the new and convenient way to update family members. Doctors and nurses can use their own devices to video chat, telehealth with patients without the need to wear masks, gloves, or other precious protective gear. It's another layer of protection for your medical staff, and also saves PPE. But our LEVO tablet cart is beneficial beyond telehealth. Bedridden patients can suffer from loneliness and boredom. Oftentimes, the only entertainment available is a TV. It's likely that most of your patients already own a highly entertaining device, a tablet. But while bedridden, holding a tablet for extensive time can be a real pain. That's where our LEVO tablet cart is assisting patients in hospitals worldwide. While LEVO freely articulates and does the heavy lifting, your patients will be entertained for most of the day as they watch movies, play games, and even get some work done. Best of all, your patients can comfortably video chat with loved ones any time of the day or night. With this much stimulation, you might hear less of the call button, saving you time and frustration. LEVO, connecting doctors with patients and patients to the world. Contact us at 800-928-2322 or email us at sales@levostore.com.